What's going on, family? It's your brother Sam Lopez, and I want to give you a quick tutorial of how to sign up at the live.soulwinners.org website, your new online platform to join all things Soul Winners. So you'll be on the site, and you see on the left side of the screen, or if you're on a mobile device, you still have these three dots. These three dots represent your menu screen. It slides down, and then you click sign up. Once you click sign up, you can add your photo. You put your chat name, you put your email address, the best email address you have, and pick an easy password. And then you have to click these two boxes. Let's add the photo. I have one set up already. Go to the photo that you want. It'll upload in seconds. Then chat name, I'll put DJ SAMROCK. My email, whatever your best email is, I'll put this in for my email address, which will be, let's see. I'll put samrock@soulwinners.org, which is a legit email. Then a password, you pick an easy password. And make sure you click these two so that way you can get our occasional emails with updates and you agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Then you click sign up, and then that's all you have to do. Then you're in. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and hope to see you on the platform very soon. God bless.